Hi friends, this video shows how to connect WitBlox motor driver to Blix. So here you can see I am using this WitBlox power dark sensor and motor driver plus. So here I will be using this adapter. This is RJ11 adapter. We need this adapter because as you know this Blix has this RJ11 cable. So we need this adapter. So I have created another video where I explained how to create this adapter. You can watch that video. So let me test this setup. So I am going to connect this Blix motor to adapter. Okay, done. Then I am going to connect this battery to WitBlox. Okay, done. So now this is on. So here I am using this dark sensor, then the motor drive. So let me test. See, dark sensor is working, motor driver also working. So we can also reverse. See, so now it's rotating in reverse direction. So this way we can connect WitBlox motor driver or any WitBlox sensors to Blix. So we don't need to buy Blix sensors or motor drivers. Okay, so you can try this. So if you need help, please let me know. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.